Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and finally, late today, June the 3rd, Microsoft has issued a update for Microsoft Edge. We talked about the 0-day that is important to fix, and it's probably the reason why the update is so quick. So there was already an update yesterday late in the day, bug fixing, but today is the security update. So if you have a Chromium browser, I suggest that you look at your updates, make sure that you're up to date, as this is a 0-day that is exploited in the wild for the V8 scripting engine, and that affects every browser that is Chromium based. So in Microsoft Edge, you'll be at 137.0.3296.62 as of late today, as it was issued. This is a security update, and it includes the 0-day exploited in the wild. So it's important to update, because these are what keeps you safe. What keeps you safe is not your antivirus. It's never been your antivirus. What keeps you safe is what you do and the updates that actually fix the security holes in the software. And in this case, the Microsoft Edge All and the Chromium All. And of course, if you have a Chromium-based browser, do check it out. There's a possibility that already that update is there. I think just to see the speed at which they are pushing this update, it is an important fix to make sure that bad guys don't get into your system through that security flaw. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.